Welcome to Little Hands Big Pasta.
We are two Italian sisters. We live in Italy, and you are here with us because we're taking you on a kids-only pasta making journey.
So grown-ups,
Ciao. Did they leave yet? Okay.
Okay, because now you are about to rock. You know why? Because we have a guitar. Listen. We're going to be making a super fun, long pasta, sort of like spaghetti.
Yes, and it's called spaghetti alla chitarra.
So what do you need? You need to get that dough,
Beautiful dough that you prepared.
the semolina flour and water dough that you prepared, because look at what you need. Rolling pins. Finally, we get to use rolling pins and this tool. So let us tell you a little bit about this tool, okay? If you don't have it, don't worry, because we're sharing the link of where you can get it. But basically, this is a very ancient, very simple tool. It's wood, and then it has like these wires. On one side, the wires are
A little wider.
like this, so you get a little wider ribbons of pasta. And on this other side, if you prefer them like thinner, then you have thinner ones. Okay?
And you'll see why this is important.
So what do? First thing, you unwrap the pasta dough and you set it here.
Exactly here. Look how soft it is.
You see?
Look how soft it is. Remember how hard it was when you first made it? Look at that. Okay.
You're going to be using a rolling pin, so it's always good and smart to put a little bit of the semolina flour, the yellow coarse flour that you use to make this dough, and you press it. Now, I made a little extra for myself so that we don't have to fight.
Okay, so move. Let me do it first. Now, remember, you sprinkle. Now, smush it down with your hands or with your fingers if you want. Sort of make like a little pancake, okay? Now, remember that you want to. Okay, this is a good start. We don't have enough space since I'm taking the big one.
I'll move on this side.
Now your mission here is to roll it out. It has to be thin, not too thin, and we'll just show you. So roll on one side, flip it over, roll on the other side.
Try to make it longer than wider, because if you think about it, this is what it's going to happen at a certain point.
This is going to go on top. Okay? So you want it to fit
the wires.
This is just a tip, an important tip. So let me continue. Always make sure you have flour at the bottom so it doesn't stick. I think that I am nearly there. Yes.
You see, because mine is still too thick. That would be too thick. Because imagine once you cook this, it will be too.
What do you think? I think a little bit more.
Almost there. I would say one or two other rolls, and then you're done.
Let's add a little bit more flour. I think that mine is beautiful and nearly perfect.
Okay.
Right?
Now, do you want, Benny, wider ribbons or narrower ribbons?
I want the wider ribbons.
Okay, now here's what you do.
Make sure.
Now this is too long, okay? I would say this is too long. So what do you do if you make it too long? Don't worry. All you have to do is cut it in half.
Or you cut in half?
In half, yeah.
Okay. Careful. Perfetto. Now,
Here. Start.
at the, look, here, start at the, oops, wait, you can't see like that. You want to start where the wood starts here, okay? So you're going to place the beginning of your dough here, and then with the rolling pin, watch what happens.
Because you see what happens?
Wait, let me stretch it out first.
This is going to move forward, okay? See what's happening? Wait, let's put it slightly up. So as you roll, this is sort of gonna get a little bit longer.
Now press hard, okay?
And the magic is about to happen. Look.
There.
Look at this.
Isn't this the coolest pasta ever? I mean, look at that.
Look. You want to see it again?
So you see you have these beautiful spaghetti-like.
You
Now,
see?
once
Homemade
this
spaghetti.
happens, make sure to always put a lot of semolina flour. And look what I'm doing. With your fingers open, don't go like this, because if not, you're gonna smush them all together. And there. And now
So-
let me make the second one again.
Don't, but wait, I want to point this out. Listen close, because I've seen this happen. Now, you know how you comb your hair? How do you comb your hair? Like that, right? Well, you don't comb your, probably do the same. 'Cause
If I do that in my
you
hair.
have curly hair. Okay, so imagine you're combing your hair and you do this, wide fingers, right? Here with the pasta, you're doing the same. You open your fingers and you're doing this. Because if you do this and you hold it, look what happened. Look,
And you don't want that.
it
Especially
just
after.
becomes all sticky and you have to throw it away. It's gonna be almost impossible to get this untangled, because you create like a ball of dough. So you don't want that to happen. I just wanted to make that very clear, because after you go through making your pasta dough, rolling it out, and then doing that, and then what you do is you get the pasta and you go,
No.
And you
But
don't
if
want
it happens,
it doesn't
doesn't
matter.
matter. You just start over again. Okay, but we're just trying to give you the best tips possible. So let's do another one. Should we do a thinner one?
No, you do the wider ones. I'm gonna do the thinner ones. Why don't you move?
Okay. Okay, so dough, this, there, you see how it starts, and then look, this is perfect. Look, you see how it is? Oh, wait, Vale, can you lift it up a little bit so that they can see? Look, so now it's all done. Let me do a little bit more, and then you go like this. Look. Seems like one of those Chinese. Okay. There.
Isn't it fun? Now it's my turn, because I'm going to do mine. And I want to, again, remember, you do this. Okay. Perfect. We put this aside, because now it's my turn, and I want to
It's
do
your
the...
turn. Oh, wait, here you.
I want to do the thinner ones. I'm going to turn it around, and I want to show you something. In case. I like to show you if things don't turn out wonderful. Now, you'll see, look at how this is. It goes exactly from one end to the other. Now, as I roll it out, this should stretch out, okay?
Yes.
I think it's important to see.
It's very important.
Now, I center it, And then I start from here, you press it down, and you start rolling it out. Now look what is happening here. It's gonna fall off this side. You see? That's why it's always important that the dough is slightly smaller than the length. You see how it came out? So it doesn't matter. If that happens, it doesn't matter. You can just cut it out. Look, let me just get, you can just cut it out here like that, okay? Give me a little like un coltello.
Here.
But that's, I don't need this, I'm sorry. You can just like cut it out like this. And that is it.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. So again, your chitarra sounded better than mine. Oh, there, it's making a little noise. If you have like a big, thick piece here at the far end, just take it away. Okay, you see?
I think you have to press a little bit here. Roll it a little bit more with the rolling dough.
Look, how cute. Wait, I'm not done though.
I don't know if I like yours better or mine.
Wow, they really do look like spaghetti. Look at that.
I think you should pass that a little bit more.
I know, it's because I just wanted to show you.
Okay.
Okay. There. I know, I just got excited. Perfetto. Look. Look at that.
This is actually beautiful.
Wow.
These are beautiful.
These are beautiful.
I don't think they are, but look how, you see? Look how much pasta we made.
And imagine, this is just with the dough you made with one person. It's incredible. You guys can make your own spaghetti at home. And you can choose if you want, Mom, I want the thin spaghetti.
No, they can't choose. They say, Mom, I'm going to make the thin spaghetti.
Or Dad, or Grandma.
Or Dad, or whoever you're feeding.
You see?
They pick. Look at that.
This is so exciting.
So now what do we say?
Well, it is now your turn
to make it.
Wait! Sorry. I just wanted to say two things. Two things before you leave, okay? The first one is that all the content of this Advent calendar, we have put it together and so much more into an online course for kids. It is obviously called Little Hands Big Pasta. It is a unique kids-only pasta journey. You'll find downloadables, extra content because we packed it with extra content and unpublished videos. And so if you want to purchase it, it's in the link below, and you can gift all the little chefs that you know.
Another thing that I would like to say,
yes,
because people are loving our shirts. Look at this. Now, ho fame in Italian means I am hungry. I mean, really. How cool is it to have a shirt like this?
And so it's our customized.
It's our customized shirt. You can order it. You can gift it also. It is really cool. It comes in a whole bunch of colors and sizes. And we obviously added the link below so you can click and purchase it there too.
Okay, we're done.
We're done.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Cook, eat, drink, live Italiano.